years old. I am Minsha. So, today I am going to make a delicious cake. All of you like it. And name as Chocolate Duck Fantasy Cake. Shall I say the ingredients? Duck Fantasy, chocolate, baking powder, milk, whipping cream. Here I take a Duck Fantasy. We need to break it into pieces and put into the mixer. I take here second one. I am piecing it. Now we need to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, I am adding milk. Now we need to blend it. Now we need to grease it. We need to grease into all sides. Now we need to put the butter paper. Now we need to grease it again into the butter paper. We need to add some sugar. So I put here 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next we need to beat it. We need to pour the Duck Fantasy mix into the baking pan. Our Duck Fantasy cake is ready. We need to decorate it. Friends, I take here hot whipping cream, half cup of chocolate crushed. Next, we need to add the chocolate crushed into the whipping cream, hot whipping cream. Next, shall I put it? And we need to mix it. It have to be in dark brown color. We need to mix it. So I am here adding some Hershey's. So friends, we need to pour the chocolate into the cake. We need to spread it well. Okay. Our cake is ready. Time to taste. It's too spongy, also it's too tasty. It's super. And friends, if you like my video, you need to subscribe, like, comment, share it with your friends, and just press the bell button. Bye bye. I am Minshas.